by YouTubers that's now become.
Wait. Yota? No, let's not cover Yota. I want to show you something else. A little bit. Let's rewind a little more. Hold on. Oh, this is
Today we're talking about a bank promoted by YouTubers.
Wait, who was that again? Stephan. Okay, so he's involved here. Okay, let's actually play this a little more further down.
Now become a casino, and users can't get their money out.
This video is sponsored by Yada Savings.
Yada, Y-O-T-T-A.
Yada Savings.
Whoa.
Yada Savings app. Maybe you saw a couple people talk about this.
Yes, I have seen people talk about Yada recently.
Hey, my name's Daniel. My wife and I, our family has $18,000 in Yada that we can't get out.
Over $60,000 frozen up in Yada.
$15,440.06.
A lot of people lost money. Money frozen. It's so-called bank this and this. Again, Stephan is just my topic here, okay? The subject. Please pay attention.
Frozen in Yada.
$7,270.60.
All right, lost money, blah, 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 blah.
$98,000
Okay, got it.
As Yada bought a bank.
I decided to invest an undisclosed amount, and now I can officially...
Wait.
Sponsorship and bought
What
equity
are
in
you
the company
saying?
because they liked the idea that much. The most viral example of this was Stephan, who claimed that I bought a bank.
I decided to invest an undisclosed amount, and now I can officially say I am a small owner in Yada Bank.
Now these videos are deleted as
How does he keep doing this and get away with it? Like, for real. 4 million plus subscribers and FTX, right? I did a video, not just because I need some clout and all this stuff. I'm literally trying to spread awareness. And again, I mentioned previously, I'll do it once in a while. It's just cringe. And I have this power where I can just get on the camera and I can talk about it. So I decided, yeah, I'll use it for good. Meaning, I'll call out the scammers. If I can, why not? I mean, sure, I'll sell some of my products so I can, support myself and all this stuff. But at the same time, if I see something wrong, I'll call it out. But when I see, people actually supporting scamsies and then again doing the same thing over and over again, it's just too much. Yeah? So again, I can't speak on behalf of anybody else, right? Puppets, all this, whatever. If I say something wrong, like, man, why do you care? Everybody shut up. Why are you trying to... No, I don't. If I see something, my mouth is big, it depends. At the moment my mouth is big, I'm like, yeah, I'm going to scream. Screw that. Are you kidding me? All right? Not only freedom of speech, stand up for your rights. Okay? And never let anybody tell you what you cannot do. And I'm telling you, this is real. Someone actually stood up. They were one of the streamers. He's like, never, motherfucker, let anybody tell you what you can't do. You can do anything as long as you don't go against humanity and all that stuff. What I mean by that, like, yeah, you are peasant, you can't do this, you are not capable. No, man. You have no idea your power, your individualism, like your power. You can do anything. Okay? I kid you not. I kid you not. Backed by experience. Literally, okay? Anyways. Now, since I said Stephan, my only point is, how do you keep supporting this dude? By the way, I just want to play his part. I just want to name and shame him in this episode. Yeah, I'm serious. Oh my God. This guy's name and shaming somebody who's in 4 million, and this guy's like less than 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I know. It's not my point. Satisfaction. Fulfilling. Yes. That guy's probably crying. Or maybe not. I don't care. Because others are crying because they lost a lot of their life savings or whatnot because of Stephan. I don't want that situation. At least, people like, hey man, you told me this and I did this, and hopefully not. I do my due diligence, all right? And if not, I'll be like, hey man, be careful. But these guys, and are you kidding me? Look at this. Look at this.
This was Stephan, who claimed that I bought a bank.
I decided to invest an undisclosed amount, and now I can officially say I am a small owner in Yada Bank.
He's a bank owner. You're a bank owner. And the bank collapses, all the video disappears. Yeah, deletes all the video. FTX, sponsored by FTX. Literally, I covered Elliott Trades. He was sponsored by FTX, deleted the whole channel. This guy was sponsored by FTX, alleged. I'm sure, right? There were several others. Same pattern. Why, Lord? Like, what is this? It's a sign. I kid you not. I get this sign, man. I get this sign, and based on that, I just act. And I'm like, what is this? This is ridiculous.
Now these videos are
Same
deleted
pattern.
as Yada has become more
Look
than
at
a
this.
harmless
The video unavailable. Elliot Trace deleted the whole playlist, everything gone, and they're thriving. The dude from 100K, he's at 600,000 subscribers. This guy from 1 mil at 4 mil.
savings app, and users can't get their money out. But to understand what exactly happened, let's first go back to when they demanded an apology from me back in 2022. They made a brief appearance in a video called The Most Evil Business in the World, and for some reason they
Yoda
didn't like
Bank,
the case.
right? My point is not as just a Yoda Bank. My point is Graham Stephan. Like, how do you follow this guy? I had a video on him, and of course, people, because similar field in a way. I'm in finance and all this modern finance, barely making anything, tiny, less than 1,000 sub. That guy's in 4 mil, guru, ultra elite guru status, right? Like, I mean, he's there. So even if he spits on people's face, that video is gonna get like 100K video, almost 100K views, minimum. Yeah, sure. I gotta struggle, even if I have to say the truth. I have to tell the truth like almost 10 times or 100 times or 1,000 times every single day until it gets 1,000 whatever views. Whatever, doesn't matter. But you get the point. It's yeah, it is. It's luck. Also, it requires work. So just letting you know the crazy stuff of the universe. Not getting offended, not getting hurt whatsoever. I know. I know what to expect. But the point is, this is crazy. Right? Look at, I mean, seriously.
Cameo. They said, quote, given these false claims, we would like...
And I have a lot of other videos. Please, 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 please stay tuned. Just click like on my video right now, comment or whatever, so you can actually watch the next one. Because most people, unfortunately, that's the algorithm, man. Algorithm doesn't show the video to anybody who doesn't actually watch. Right? If you're a regular watcher, you'll probably get my videos on a kind of row. But unfortunately, algorithm. So I just want to let you know that I create videos on a regular basis, okay, on multiple channels. So if you don't see me on whatever channel for quite some time, it's not me. It's probably you got hacked or something, or your whatever service provider doesn't want to show my video to you, whatever. So figure it out. I'm letting you know. Hence, I'm like, just like and comment and whatever, okay? Just let you know, okay? Peace. Now, before I end, please, 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 I'll do a follow-up on this. I kid you not. No. Oh, please, show me the
In
Graham
this
Stephan
case,
part.
and it's not the only case, has engendered some confusion for end users who see FDIC insured and read that as, this is safe, my money's safe, I'm gonna get my money back. Now, what is FDIC insurance and what does it do? It protects depositors and users in the event that a bank fails. A bank has not failed here, and so there is no direct role for the FDIC to step in. If Evolve had failed, the FDIC would...
These people eventually get their money back. The win matters just as much as people with
Come on,
frozen
come
accounts
on.
told me.
Watch this.
I mean,
Watch
it
this.
means everything to me. I wasn't able to pay rent for this month. I wasn't able to pay my bills.
I quit my job. I quit my career to go into business for my family, and my savings is my my safety net for doing that, for making such a crazy decision. So it means a lot.
We really have no safety net. I mean, even if that money's not gone, it's gone for us for now.
My wife and I have been saving for our first home. If this takes months, years to drag out, it's going to delay our home.
I've been saving essentially for 3 to 4 years, and was saving up for a wedding and
That's
to buy a
wild,
home.
man. That's
And,
wild.
As soon as this stuff
That's
happened,
wild.
that was actually the first week that I needed to.
That's wild.
And all I'm saying is, I get that this is also not a traditional FDIC
I
insurance
only
case.
want to see like
but dare I say,
everyone
we give
actually
regular Americans
put
the
it
same
up
level of
on
urgency and
Stephan.
empathy.
And you know what? I don't want to watch this video. I want to show you the comments here, right? Watch this here. Your money is safe. I used to watch. I kid you not. I'm not even ready. I don't even know what to expect. And I'm gonna end it right there. I used to watch Stephan, but I slowly began to realize that he gives zero cucks about his audience and doesn't promote anything. And that's reality. I believe, if I'm not wrong, in one of the episodes, he was doing some interview with Mr. Beast, and he said, my highest alleged. Okay, listen, again, he's not gonna come and sue me for like $0, whatever. But I'm letting you know, right? I mean, he's a piece of cuck, the lowest scum of the earth, basically. One of those, just like Elliot Turd. Because when you see the pattern, I mean, there's no mercy, honestly, man. This is disgusting. Hey, I have all the properties, but I'll still take sponsorship of FTX. Okay, I'll erase that. I'll take this Yota, whatever bank sponsorship. I'm an owner. Okay, that collapses. Erase that. I mean, what can you? I mean, seriously, dude, what are you? What kind of respect do you have? You know what? They don't care about us. These dudes know. They will milk the next again. This is the reality. Okay, I'm in the same business. The only things I don't do the same shit. But the point is, I'm in the same business. That's why I'm telling you, in social, it's so fast and so quick. It's the numbers game. These guys are like, you know what? 10 people know that I scammed. Screw that. I don't care. 100 people are going to come and buy my scam. So let them buy. Because these guys are not going to do anything. They're going to just keep moving on and all that. And that's the problem. That's actually the problem. I don't know how to solve it. I'm not saying like you got to report and do this and that, but I'm just saying that's a problem that we collectively need to do something about it because, yeah, it's real. It hurts us or our kids, next generation, or whatever. I mean, before it gets, nasty, let's figure it out. Let's work on it. Anyways, ladies and gents, wild. I have a lot of things to say, man. Like, I kid you not. I have a podcast. I only had one season end, but I'm not dedicated to a podcast right now. I just want to react in a way, like talk about that things that matters. Honestly, I can talk about things I literally mentioned, trending topics. I can talk about all the trending topics, but that's not the point. This thing is relevant and it's real. Scam and whatever. There's so many other things that I'll talk about later on, but this thing, I had to react to this one, is because of this particular dude. No, I mean, not that dude, but the whole process. Yeah, Stephan. And it's funny because he actually, and I covered him several times.
Undisclosed amount, and now I can officially say I am a small owner in Yada Bank.
Now these videos are
How
deleted.
do you? And this algorithm keeps showing this guy to me. I'm like, dude, can you keep this guy off? He's the worst influencer you can follow. All right, I'll tell you this. He's probably, I don't know, it's nothing to do with age, limit, whatever. You're like, yeah, man, he was jealous. Again, I keep getting that same thing. I'll tell you one thing. All right? If you stick around long enough, you'll see what I do, what I don't, whatever. Again. And at the same time, you'll see what happens to them. Because I again, not here to like go do crazy stuff, but hey, karma is real. And I also like to take a stand. So when someone's nasty and I see it's nasty, hey, I'm going to put it up there. And it keeps building, building, building. Just wait on it. Patience. Patience on the right stuff. Yeah, it has good stuff. So my point is, at the end of the day, keep it real. For me, it's all about being real. And I can't just satisfy a whole crazy, whatever crowd. I'm just being myself. And that's about it. If you can't relate to a certain thing, or that's different. But if you couldn't get misunderstood something, yeah, that's the right word. If you misunderstood something, then don't just like, hey man, I hate him. Tell me, because that's a different story. If you don't like me, like my skin, or whatever, that's a different story, man. You can leave. But if you didn't understand my word, you're like, oh man, I didn't understand this thing. I'm leaving. Hey, let me clarify, because that's a different story, okay? I want you to get my point straight. Agree? Oh, yeah, I understood and agree. I disagree. Okay, that's different. But at least you have to understand it, okay? That's how I am. And that's how I think I'm gonna live till I die. All right? With dignity, ladies and gents. So, yeah, Yota Bank, whatever, Bota Bank, no. And I'm not gonna end this with this. Look at this here. Let's go back here, right? Oh, yes, of course. Of course. Who doesn't? Who doesn't? Did I share anything else here? Um, I'm no. No. I thought I'll share. Maybe I thought I shared something about the Gen Millennials, but I didn't. Nice. Oh, hold on. No, it's okay. Ladies and gents, what's your opinion about Graham Stephan? Because to be honest, if you follow him, you're gonna get wrecked. This guy, look, I mean, I'm judging. I'm judging. He's evil. He's evil AF. All right. It's all about him. And right now, it's just like whatever he can get to dump and pump and whatever, whatnot. There's no integrity, nothing at this moment. And as at this level, when you have 4 million, and that's another YouTube level thing, there's nothing you can do. He's gonna go 5, 6, 7. Most critical at the other level, 15 whatever million, different story. Not everyone's like that, right? I mean, everybody has a different story. But Graham, I don't know, man. I don't like this dude, man. He just nasty. Anyways, those who follow, keep doing your thing. But again, hope you don't get wrecked. And I'll see you in the next vid.